Samsung's unannounced Galaxy XCover6 Pro has once again shown itself to the world, this time, giving us a more thorough look and more details about its rumored specifications, thanks to a report from both on leaks and GizNext. The Galaxy's XCover6 Pro isn't the sleekest looking out of Samsung's Galaxy line of smartphones, but what it lacks in style, it should hopefully make up for with its rugged appearance, which is meant to withstand accidental drops or violent impacts. Last week, the Samsung Galaxy's XCover Pro 2 aka the Galaxy XCover6 Pro was spotted on the Bluetooth SIG certification website. Now, the official renders along with the full specification list have emerged online. Tipster on Leaks in collaboration with GizNext has leaked the smartphone in its entirety. The leaked renders showcase the device from every angle. On the back, the smartphone has two camera cutouts with an LED flash. On the right side, the device houses the volume rocker and power button, while the left side has a large button with a red outline whose functionality is unknown. The bottom of the device has a speaker grill and USB-C port, while the audio jack is on the top side. The rugged phone seems to have a hard plastic frame for increased durability, and the back panel has textured vertical lines to make the device more grippy. Other than that, the device is revealed to measure 169 by 80 by 10 millimeters and weigh 235 grams. Coming to the specifications leak, the report states that the smartphone will come with a 6.6-inch TFT display with 1080 by 2408 pixels Full HD Plus resolution and 60 Hz refresh rate. It will have thick bezels and the dewdrop notch to house the front camera. Under the hood, the smartphone will come powered by the 5G-enabled Snapdragon 778G chipset, and will combine it with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. On the software front, the XCover6 Pro will run Android 12 based One UI out of the box. The device is also said to have a 4050 mAh battery. However, the fast charging capability is still under wraps. For optics, the device will have a 50 megapixel main camera paired with an ultra-wide sensor of 8 megapixel or 12 megapixel resolution. On the front, it will feature a 13 megapixel snapper for selfies and video calls. Unfortunately, it is still unclear when this product will arrive at retail, so if you are looking for a rugged option now, you can purchase the Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, which offers a similar appearance with slightly different specifications. Thank you for watching this video to the end. It means a lot to me. If you have any questions, you can write your comments under this video. Have a nice day and more smiles on your way.